says which way to go. No, I head back south and I hit my seal. Got the ashes of my best friend in a cremation jar on the shotgun seat of the car. I got the top chopped off, got the windows down. One last tour with the happy hunting grounds. Though we never made a kill, there was none really what we came down here for. Give me a sign, amigo, can you tell me? Did you go down laughing when you finally fell? We had tales to tell and songs to sing. Did you get your horns or did they give you wings? Either way, it's just as well. Ashes of San Miguel. It's 101 under this fanatical sun. The black-eyed federales are dripping sweat on their machine guns, saying, "Drive on slow, gringo, you ain't as savage as you think you are." Well, I bought a box of firecrackers and liquor to go. Vamos amigo pa bajo kino. Everything is here, I got the pesos and the beer. Still ain't no sign of your ghost. Give me a sign, amigo, can you tell me? Did you go down laughing when you finally fell? We had tales to tell, songs to sing. Did you get your horns or did they give you wings? Either way, it's just as well. Ashes of San Miguel. The desert's lovely, dark and deep, but I got no more promises left to keep. Yeah, but why? Tell me why. Gotta drain a bottle dry before I can cry over you. There's bones on the beach and there's ashes in a jar. Ghosts in the air laughing at fools in the bar. And somewhere inside this river don't run to the sea no more. Life is cheap here and death is rich. You finally got you, lucky son of a bitch. And if I could do it again, I'd cry aloud at your hospital bed. So give me a sign, amigo, can you tell me? Did you go down laughing when we finally fell? We had tales to tell, songs to sing. Did you get your horns or did they give you wings? Even worse, just as well. Ashes of San Miguel. As advertised as promised, I'm going to give up the microphone to Mr. Jim Dalton. We're going to bask in his talents and fun.
Yeah.
I got to tune up a tiny bit, guys.
I was on a merry way, strolling through the park one day, when suddenly something flew over. What the hell is that on my shoulder? Dick bird pooed on my shoulder, dropped a big turd as he flew over. kept walking, what else could I do? With everybody gawking at me covered in doo-doo. Dickie, Dickie, why'd you have to pick me? What the hell did I ever do to you? Dick Bird, food on my shoulder, dropped a big turd as he flew over. Dickie, Dickie, why'd you have to pick me? Dick Bird. Whistle with us, everybody. Yeah. One more. Dick Bird. Dick Bird.
That was a worldwide #1 hit everywhere but the U.S. I don't know why we missed us here.
These guys are great whistlers.
I know, awesome. All right, what's next? Contraband, huh? You got a caper for that?